In this tutorial, you'd learn how to easily extract data from emails on Excel. This is an automatic process of doing it, which saves you the hassle of manually extracting the data from multiple emails, which might be cumbersome. The first step is to open the Excel sheet with your emails and label columns for the data which you want to extract from the emails. Since you need to manually fill in the data for the first row, type in the first name for the first email in the first name cell beside it. Type in the last name for the first email in its corresponding last name cell. Type in the initials for the first email in its corresponding initial cell. Click on the first name cell of the second email, and press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to automatically fill in the first names of all the other emails. Click on the last name cell of the second email, and press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to automatically fill in the last names of all the other emails. Click on the initial cell of the second email, and press Ctrl+E on your keyboard to automatically fill in the initials of all the other emails. That's it. You're done.